Good evening, everyone. I wanted to take a quick minute and show you guys how to change out the battery in your key fobs. This key fob goes to a 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. I'm sure it might be the same method for a few of the others, but I wanted to take a quick minute and show you guys how to change the battery in these, because I'm sure there's some people that don't know how to get into them, and some people get a little bit crazy. Some people get impatient in trying to open these things and might break stuff. So let's learn how to do it the right way. Alright, first off, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. This one's kind of big. You can use a smaller one, but this one should work. Take your key fob and look and see if you can find that little square gap right there, almost the same size as the head as this flathead. And hold your key fob in a certain way so you can slide that head in there and give it a little twist, and that should pop open just like that. Now what I'm going to do, I'm not going to just pull it from that end. I want it to come off evenly, so put it in here and twist that end off too. There we go. Pull the whole casing out of there. Let's push that back in there. There we go. It'll go right back in there. Here's your battery. Let's pull that out of there so I can see what kind of battery goes in. That is a Sony CR2032, 3-volt. And this will go in your 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 key fob. Let's put it back in there. If I can hold it. Put it in there good. There we go. Simple as that. Work your way around there. Push that side down. Push that side down. And you are good to go. You have a brand new battery in your key fob. I hope this helps some of you. I know some people get a little bit impatient trying to get these things open and destroy them. It's easy to destroy them. There's so many little parts inside there. But just have some patience. Do it the right way. Don't tear stuff up, and you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped you guys. Have a good day.